Okay, so this is the HueparS03CG. This is a new laser that has just arrived in New Zealand. Now, all the Huepar lasers come with a plastic case that you can bring with you on site. Now, when we open the case, you see inside there are some stickers. There is an English user manual. In the box you'll find the attachment bracket of the laser. You can attach this to metal surfaces. These are magnets, so it goes and sticks on a metal surface. And also you can hang it off a screw that you can put in a piece of timber or anywhere else on site. To help with this, there is also a metal plate which can be screwed in to timber or any other surface, and then you can click this on site. Okay, and there is also a target which you can either hold, you can open up the little stand and you can set it anywhere that you want, but you can also use the magnet on it, so you can attach it like that and use it on site however you want. These are included in the box. Now, apart from the bracket, we're going to see what else is inside this packaging. The remote control, where we can turn the unit on and off, and also turn each laser individually on and off, the horizontal and the vertical one, and start and stop the pulse mode for the receiver. Very useful. You can also do that on an app on your phone. There's a Bluetooth app that you can also use to control this laser. Here is the laser. Now you can see on this laser that the build quality is exceptional. This is a very rugged plastic, feels a bit like rubber. The laser windows are all metal, reinforced. So this is made for doing the hard yards on site. The power on this laser can be from the battery in here, or it can be powered by a USB-C power source, which can be like a power bank or anything else, even a mains power supply can be plugged in here and it will work. It comes with a lithium battery that goes in here, but also comes with an AA battery holder. So you can put 4 AA batteries in here, chuck it in here, and Bob's your uncle. Off you go. It also comes with its own 4 AA batteries, a charger, power supply, USB with a cable. All of those are useful to either power it directly or recharge the battery. It has a USB-C power port for recharging. So that you have multiple ways of powering this on site. Now let's put a battery in and let's operate it. Battery goes in there. Here is the unit. You can power it 2 ways, either from the power button here or by unlocking the pendulums. When you unlock it here, you can see the lasers are on, but because it is off angle, it is beeping and it is flashing. Now, when it is beeping and is flashing like that, it says that it's off angle, and you can see on the screen how much off angle it is. It gives you all the angles on the X and the Y axes and how far off it is. This is when you use it on the self-leveling mode, but you can just use it for drawing lines on odd angles that are not straight. You just power it on by holding the button, and now it shows you all the angles that it's in, but it is flashing every once in a while just to remind you that it is not level. You still see the XY axes offsets here, how far off you are from level, the battery, and that it is locked. And from here you can choose to turn on and off the horizontal and vertical lasers, and turn the pulse mode on and off for the receiver. So this here is the HueparS03CG, a sturdy laser made for doing the hard yards on New Zealand sites. Great value for $489 that you can only find on lasertools.co.nz. Comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and anything you need, just hit us up.